Hey guys, Ryan here, and in this video I'm going to cover how to install and run General's Evolution on Windows 11 with full working multiplayer. So General's Evolution is a mod for Red Alert 3 that aims to remake the older Command & Conquer General series in the Red Alert 3 engine. This means that the mod will have updated graphics, streamlined gameplay, and several quality of life tweaks. In other words, this is a fantastic way of playing Command & Conquer Generals in 2022. Now the mod itself is not finished, but all the individual factions are present, and that includes unique buildings, unique units, and also the AI works in both skirmish and online play. So step 1 is to install Red Alert 3. Unsurprisingly, since this is a mod that relies on Red Alert 3, you're going to need a digital copy of Red Alert 3. So to my knowledge, there's two places you can purchase this from. You can either buy it individually on Steam, or you can buy it as part of the Ultimate Collection on EA Origin. However, for this particular video, I'm going to be using the Steam version. Either way, once you've installed the game, you want to launch it at least once, specify your graphical settings, and then quit the game. So step 2 is to patch Red Alert 3 to support up to 4GB of memory. Now, Red Alert 3 is a 32-bit application, so by default it will only support up to 2GB of memory, which can cause graphical glitches or crashes once you've hit that particular limit. Now, none of this won't be a problem, but with mods, this limit can be actually hit. So the solution is to patch the game's exe to support up to 4GB of memory. Now you can patch the exe in several ways, but the easiest method I've found is to use the 4GB auto patch utility hosted on mod.db. All you want to do is download the tool itself, extract the archive, and then run the installer. The tool is straightforward to use. Basically, in case you want to go through next, make sure that it detects the games you've currently got installed. So in my case I have Tyranian Wars, Cade's Wrath, and Red Alert 3. And make sure they're all ticked, and then click the install button. Once you've done that, click finish. So step 3 is to install the General Evolutions mod. Now that we've installed Red Alert 3 and patched the game, we can now install the mod. Simply download the mod archive from mod.db, extract it, and then run the installer. Once again, the process should be straightforward enough. You want to click next until you get to the page where you choose the installation location of the mod. By default, this will install in your documents folder, but if you want, you can change this to a different location. And then start the installation process. So once the installation process is finished, close the installer. Okay, so let's launch the mod and we'll have a quick game against the AI.
Training.
I will work.
Training. Training.
Cannot we live in peace? I will work.
Training.
I will work. I will work. I will obey. This hammer is heavy.
Training. Our building is finished.
I will work.
Training.
I will work.
Our
I will
building
do
is
the best I
finished.
can.
Training.
You have my services.
I
I
will
have
work.
learned their ways. Their security is false.
Ready for
Cannot
war.
we live in peace? I will try to hurry.
Ready for
Building
war.
is finished.
No
Training.
cost is too great. Take us to glory.
I will
Ready
work.
for war.
Oh, okay, I will work. I will do what I must.
Be on watch for the enemy.
Our building is finished. We have seized an
Watch for
enemy
the enemy.
building. Training.
The
Our
higher
building is
order
finished.
shall reign. Ready for war.
I will work.
Training. Training.
I will obey.
Ready for war.
I will try to hurry.
Our courage will be seen by all. Ready for
Cannot
war.
we live in peace?
Our building is finished.
Be on watch for the enemy.
I will do what I must. Oh, okay,
Be on watch
I
for
will
the
work.
enemy. Protect us.
Training.
No
Scorpion
cost
rocket
is too
installed,
great.
sir.
I will work.
Building. Training.
Quad cannon.
Training.
Ready for war.
Our building is finished.
Learn to hide
I
at
will
my
work.
disposal.
Our building is finished.
Signal from
Cannot
anywhere.
we live in peace? I will do the best I can. I will obey.
I'll puncture the next
This
thing that
hammer
moves.
is heavy.
Training. Training. Training.
Our
I'll
base
puncture
is
the
under
next thing
attack.
that moves.
I will work.
Ready for war.
4 on the floor. Going.
Our building
Be
is
on watch for
finished.
the enemy.
I'm just a peasant. I will do the best I can.
Training.
Be on watch for the
We
enemy.
will need more funds,
Puncture the
General.
next thing that moves.
I will work.
Get to the goods.
Our building is finished.
What can I say? I'm a taker.
Our building is finished. Training.
Threads tightened.
We will need more funds, General.
Ready to stay.
Where shall we
Our
strike?
will is strong.
Yes, I will work. This hammer is heavy. What do you want with me? I'm just a peasant. Oh, okay, I will work. You change your mind often.
Scorpion.
A
Ready
warrior
to stay.
has fallen.
Scorpion tank.
The warrior has become stronger.
Ready to stay. Our courage will be seen by all. My horse was faster.
I'll get there.
I'm hungry. I will do what I must.
A warrior has become stronger. Building. Our building is finished. Training. Where shall we strike? A warrior has become stronger. A warrior has fallen.
Ready for war.
Training.
You got something for me? Just show me where they are. Better be welcome. Marauder tank us.
What do you want with me?
Training.
You got
Our
something for me?
building is finished.
I will work.
Let's see what we find.
Ready to stay.
Waka. I'll get there. I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I do not have patience for this. I'll puncture the next thing. Marauder tank us again. Let's see what we find.
The warrior has become stronger. Our building is finished. Training.
Assemble.
Cannot we live in peace? I will work.
A warrior has fallen.
I'll puncture the next thing that moves. I'll puncture the next thing that moves. Armor folded
A warrior has
4 on the
become
floor.
stronger.
in. I'll puncture the next thing that moves.
Our courage will be seen
Where
by
shall
all.
we strike?
Clear
Toxin
them
shells
out.
upgrade I do
complete.
not have patience for this.
We will not be oppressed. We will cleanse them from our land.
We are victorious.
Okay, so it's possible to play online multiplayer this mod if you use the C&C Online servers. But unlike the other games that use this particular service, you don't need to use the standalone C&C Online client. In fact, all you need to do is create an account on the C&C Online website, but just make a note of your server login, email and password, as you're going to need that to log into the service. Okay, so once the mod is loaded, go to Versus, Online, and then sign in with the credentials you created earlier. So it's going to be your server login email and your password. And from here you can either join a game if anyone else is hosting one, or alternatively you can host a game yourself. And from here you can make it open. If you wanted, you could put some AI on there, but it's up to you to set up your own game for people to play. And that's it really. So General Evolution is a fantastic mod for Red Alert 3 that really is the best way of playing the classic Command & Conquer General series on modern hardware. And with that, it brings this video to an end. Thank you very much for watching guys, and if you did find this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.